welcome to or welcome back to Hello High for another quick and easy cannabis recipe. And today I'm showing you how to make funfetti mini donuts using this Pillsbury cake mix, and it's going to be a lot of fun, and it will take you less than 20 minutes to do this recipe at home. And I'm using canna butter and canna coconut oil for this recipe, so let's get started. Now for this recipe, you'll need Pillsbury Funfetti cake mix, an egg, whole milk, canna coconut oil, unsalted canna butter, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and rainbow sprinkles. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and before we start, I love using this pan baking spray because it comes with the flour already added, but feel free to use any spray oil that works for you. For this recipe, I'm using one mini donut pan that has 24 cavities and two medium-sized donut pans with 6 cavities each. Then I sprayed each donut pan and set them aside. In a large bowl, add 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, a quarter